Wake up in the morning feeling like Cheggmaster. Grab my clout, I'm at the door, I'ma hit this city. Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of water. Cause when I leave for the night, I'm coming back. Talking pedicure on our toes, trying on all our clothes. Boys blowing up our phones. And playing our favorite MP3s, pulling up to the parties, trying to get a little bit tomatoes. Don't stop, make it pop, DJ blow my TikTok up. Tonight I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. TikTok on the clock, but the party don't stop. Oh, whoa. Shark Pog dance, don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my Shark Pog up. Tonight I'ma fight till we see the Wednesday morning. TikTok on the clock, but the party don't stop. And whoa. Shark Pog like whoa. Ain't got a care in the world, but I got plenty of water. Ain't got no money in my pocket, but I'm already here. Now the dudes are lining up, cause they hear Cheggmaster got swag. But we kick them to the curb unless they look like the king of New York. Everybody getting TikToks. Boys trying to touch my tomatoes. Gonna smack if he's getting 2 tomatoes. Now we go until they kick us out. But the police shut us down. Police shut us down. Popo shut us down. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up. Tonight I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. TikTok on the clock, but the party don't stop. And now whoa. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up. Tonight I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. TikTok on the clock, but the party don't stop. And no, whoa. I'm blue dabba dee. You build me up, you break me down. My heart it pounds, yeah, you got me. With my hands up, you got me now. You got that sound, yeah, you got me. You build me up, you break me down. I get those likes and then I get excited. With my hands up, put your hands up above this video. The party don't stop till Cheggmaster walks in. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up. Tonight I'ma fight till I eat 3 tomatoes. TikTok on the clock, but the party don't stop. And no cucumber in the gym. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my poggers up. Tonight I'ma fight till we see that Shark Pog. TikTok on the clock, but the party don't stop. And no, whoa. I'm my clan's leader. Haha. Wow.
Rough.